off.
No! Oh!
Go down!
Oh!
Cancel! I didn't say forward! Go back! Go back! Do it! Oh my God!
Oh, no. Listen to the wall. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Go up!
Stopped.
Hey everyone, I'm Abby.
I'm Nate behind the camera today.
That's Popeye. That's Popeye. Amelia is upstairs napping. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we have another helicopter to show you, but this one's a little different because this one is clearly a toy. You have to at least be 8 years old to fly this. So if I can't fly this, no one can fly this. This is the Sky Rover missile launching voice command helicopter. We picked ours up on Amazon. It'll be linked down in the description box below, so you can click that and go check it out for yourself. This actually is supposed to shoot missiles. Now if you go click that link, watch the video.
Yeah.
It will crack you up because I was dying laughing the whole time. And normally we wouldn't pick something like this to be on our channel, but the company sent it to us. We saw the video, thought it was hilarious, and just thought we have to get this, we have to try it, because at least it's probably gonna be pretty funny. And Nathan thought, I've been funny in the past with voice command. I think he thought it would be funny to see me try to fly this.
You're the obvious choice to fly this, not me.
I guess. Let's see how bad your wife fails at this. That's basically what he's doing.
This is gonna be good. It'll be so good.
It does come with a transmitter, but I'm probably not gonna use this. I'm going to plug my specialized headset into the transmitter and fly this with the 12 voice commands, but you can fly it from the transmitter. It has the included missiles on each side, which looks pretty cool, and you get a spare 4, so it comes with 8. I'm guessing we're probably gonna lose these.
Yeah.
Well, I hope we lose them because that means it worked. It comes with some spare parts here, and that's the basic setup. The biggest downfall to this is that this is not 2.4 gigahertz. It is an infrared signal, so you're probably never going to be able to fly this outside. This is going to be an indoor only setup. So let me get my headset plugged in and put on, and let's fly this.
Also, it's got a fly bar on top of the helicopter, and the tail rotor is just a vertical motor.
No one cares. Let's just fly this.
Okay.
How is this supposed to fit in an 8-year-old's ear? Ow. This does not feel good. Ow.
Might have to duct tape it to your head.
I don't think this is gonna stay neat.
Just kind of like wrap it up in your hair.
Okay. It's really loud. Okay, so it's talking to me inside, and what's going to be really annoying this whole video is that...
It's still talking to you?
I think it thinks I'm speaking a different language. It's telling me like not clear and stuff the whole time, which is going to be super annoying during this video. This guy is going crazy in my ear. Shh. Okay. Take off. He said not clear. Y'all can't hear this man in my ear. Take off. Take off! Take off.
Oh man, there it goes. Bye-bye.
Oh, come on!
Oh man.
He said not clear and it landed.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna get this.
This is gonna be our most chaotic video ever. Everyone be quiet. Everybody be quiet.
Bye-bye. Take off. Take off. Take off. Hello? Take off. What is he saying? Take off. He keeps saying smart hovering. Not clear.
Reset the whole helicopter. Maybe it thinks it's in the air.
Take off. I wish you could hear this man. Take off. I didn't say smart hovering. I said take off. Take off. Take off. Take off. Take.
He was like.
Take off. You can't understand me.
Let me try it, I guess.
Not clear. Take off.
So it must assume. It must assume everyone lives in like 24 skills. No! Oh!
Go down!
Oh!
Go down! Cancel! 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 I didn't say forward! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go right! Go left! Do it! Oh my God!
Oh no! Listen to the wall! Oh! Oh!
Stop!
Oh!
Stop!
Oh! Oh!
Go up! Go up!
It stopped.
It's a mess.
That's about what I was expecting, to be honest. Couldn't you use the controller to like override that?
Yeah, but I wanted to just.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, it's scary.
It just turned on.
Take off.
It fired missiles. Some of the missiles are missing. 2 of the missiles are missing. I have no idea. I didn't see that happen.
Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off.
I gotta try it.
Popeye, you're gonna die. Take off. Take off. Take off.
There it goes. Okay, see if you can get it to fire.
Go up. Go up. Go up. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward.
Calmly.
Go forward. Go up.
It's stuck now. It can't.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's fly it normal.
Fly normal. See if you can get the missiles to shoot.
That is a mess. That man was annoying. Why is it going back?
Commit.
It doesn't have altitude hold. That's for sure. Popeye, go away. You're scared of me.
Let me give it a shot if you don't care.
So the transmitter is spring loaded to go down.
I see that.
That's why I'm struggling. So good luck.
Okay, there's some.
Sure, you'll do better than me. Then you can try voice.
Yeah, I don't like that. And the right stick is yaw control too, Abby.
That's why I was struggling then, right?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna shoot these missiles at you.
Oh my gosh. I don't. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Did they shoot? It shot them both.
Yeah, shot them both, and it didn't go very far. Remember
It hit my knee.
Okay. There's no. You can't strafe left and right on this. Okay, it's just throttle on the left, and the right stick is forward and back. And then if you want to turn, you have to yaw, which is on the right stick too. And I don't like that the throttle is spring loaded, because you're right, it's constantly pushing down.
Yeah.
It's a really bad design.
We've never had a transmitter that's spring loaded to go down.
No.
That's weird. Okay, you gotta try voice control.
Okay.
Maybe it's my accent.
There's no way that's fitting in my ear.
Put the mic closer to your mouth.
Heat recognition activated. You turn. I thought it thinks I'm saying you turn.
I know. That's really
All
messed
right.
up.
This is bad. Take off. Not clear. Take off. Go up. Not forward. Go up.
Oh my gosh,
Go up.
bye-bye!
Go up. Go up. This is trash. Absolute trash.
Throttle down. Ow! Don't let go!
I'm not. gosh. Okay. This is by far the worst helicopter ever. Just ever. I mean, hands down, the worst. It would be okay-ish without the voice control. And it was like a man from China that just barely learned English telling you the repeat voice controls. It was hard to understand him, which is probably why he couldn't understand us. It's just bad. You would think the flybar would help it stay stable long enough to get another voice command in. We don't have any breezes coming through here or anything. It just, hovering wasn't a good hover. It got down too low, it would bang into something and then it couldn't respond. And we fly tons of stuff in this space. We're very familiar with flying things in this airspace.
The takeoff's scary though, isn't it?
It really was. It caught me off guard and it's very scary. Take off. This is scary, and this is made for kids.
I saw my hair flash before my eyes every time.
Yeah. This is for kids. That's what's crazy. I'm 30 years old and I struggled to fly this. What's it say about my flying ability? It did okay with the transmitter, but I hate that this is, look how, and it's very strong. Listen. That's a strong
Why would they spring load it to land? That's so stupid.
I don't know. The firing the missile thing kind of worked, but honestly, it only shot like...
It shot one far away and one went to the ground.
It shot like 4 feet. It's just kind of weak. I don't know. It's neat. I like the idea behind it, but the implementation is just wrong. This gets a special place in our record book of worst RC helicopter ever on the RC Sailors. Do not buy this for any reason. But do us a favor, do yourself a favor, click the link and go look at this and scroll down to their video and get a good laugh, because it's like someone photoshopped the helicopter out and they made it do like and then they showed, there's another video where it battles against the drone.
And the drone like kamikazes over top of it. It's hilarious.
It shoots the missiles and somehow the drone does a Matrix style like it's good. You should watch that at the very least. Well, if you appreciate us telling you what not to buy, then definitely give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, because it definitely helps our channel out. 165,000 subscribers. We haven't been like paying much attention to that lately, but I can't believe we're up to 165. That's so awesome. Thank you guys so much for everything you do, for the support on our channel and everything. Now I just gotta find out, what do I do with this? I can't sell this to someone. If I could give it to a neighbor or something, I would, but all our neighbors... I feel sorry
giving it to somebody.
I would too, yeah. I love the hobby, here you go. And they would just, Nate loves this stuff? Oh my gosh. Well, we'll have a link in the description box below, because that's what we do, but don't buy it. Please don't buy it. Do not buy this. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.